So it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and my windows are open to cool the house down. It was really hot yesterday. And it starts smelling like garbage, burning plastic, blowing in. So I get on the weather app to check to see which way the wind's blowing, to see which side of the neighborhood is burning trash illegally at 2:30 in the morning. And I notice how strange the wind pattern looks. You hardly ever see this straight north wind pattern, so I started recording and zooming out, and I ended up sort of seeing where there could have been some tornadoes or some serious damage going on up there. So I just wanted to record it real time while I was awake, just in case I needed to show the police like that southern wind or whatever. I was just recording. Anyway, I hope nothing bad happened up in I can't remember how to Kashabowie. Let's hope.